So here we are. It is Saturday the 9th of November 2024 and it's just after 5 p.m. That's the I'm sitting at Newport, and that is the local Sea Scouts, and I haven't seen anybody near or by the place for 3 days that I've been here. I'm sitting in this shallow pond, so we've got all these boats out here and they're all sort of on moorings, but there's this shallow bit, so it's 1.1 meters at the moment, and it comes up a lot less than that, and I sit on the bottom. So I've got the rudder kicked, I've got the board up, and I just let it sit on the bottom. So nobody disturbs me here. It's fabulous. And you look around for little jobs to do, you know, when you're sitting in a place like this, and I can't leave till probably next Thursday when the northerly kicks in. So I thought to myself, something that's been annoying me for a long time is these instruments that I use for navigation. I'm one of these people, I still like to get out the paper charts and take bearings and things, you know. I've got my hand bearing compass here, and it keeps my hand in. I don't carry a sextant anymore, but I used to. That's gathering dust on the bookshelf at home. But these things used to just sit around in here, and it was giving me the shits. So I thought, I'm going to do something about that. So I've made these little tabs which hold it in just nicely. And what I did, really easy, I had a bit of this 20mm electrical conduit on board. I cut off one length of 105mm, marked the line down the guts either side, and cut it with my hot knife that I use for ropes, and it fitted perfectly in my little pot here. So I put just a little bit of water in there, steamed it up, flattened it out, rounded the corners, put a 1/4-inch hole in it. These bolts hold the saddles for the netting on the outside. Then I heated this little bit here, gave it a bend so it would spring, screwed them on, and hey presto, they are out of my way. So a good little job done. And over this side I've got, I noticed that this window leaks a tiny bit, just enough to be a nuisance. I don't know why it started to leak, but I bought a tube of this stuff, Storm, which I found to be really good, and bought that today. So tomorrow that window is coming out and it's going to get resealed, so that should be another good little job done. In the meantime, I'm just sitting here, sitting on the fence, just waiting. A lot of boats in this joint, it's insane. Alright, that's all for now.